Have you ever wondered why some people smile even when they have nothing, and others cry even when they have everything? It's not about what they have, it's about what they feel in their hearts. And that feeling is called Shukr, gratitude. Gratitude in Islam isn't just saying Alhamdulillah with your tongue. It's living Alhamdulillah with your heart. It's trusting Allah even when life hurts. It's seeing light even in the darkest tunnel. Today, we will understand the true meaning of Shukr, what happens when you ignore it, and what miracles unfold when you embrace it with faith. Shukr is not a passive emotion, it's an active state of the heart, the tongue, and the limbs. The Quran says, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. But if you deny, indeed, my punishment is severe." Gratitude is not only about saying thank you. It is about acknowledging that every breath, every blessing, every moment is from Allah. When we stop being grateful, we start comparing. We start complaining. We start feeling empty even while holding everything in our hands. A heart without shukr becomes greedy, anxious, jealous, and distant from Allah. And what does Allah say? Little do you give thanks. The one who forgets gratitude forgets the giver himself. When you practice gratitude, even a small meal feels like a feast. Even a small home feels like a palace. Even the hardest test feels like a doorway to Jannah. Allah promises increase not only in wealth, but in peace, contentment, barakah, and closeness to Him. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Whoever is not grateful for small things will not be grateful for large things." True shukr is tested when life breaks you, when nothing makes sense, when you lose someone you love, when your dua is still unanswered, but still you whisper, "Ya Allah, I trust you." That is the highest level of shukr. And know this, the most grateful people were the prophets. Yet they suffered the most. But their hearts never turned bitter, only better. Take a moment and look around. The air you breathe, the eyes you see with, the heart that beats inside your chest. Did you thank Allah today? If not, then pause now. Say, "Alhamdulillah for everything I have and everything I don't." Because sometimes the things you didn't get were Allah's greatest mercy. The more you thank Allah, the more you recognize Him. And the more you recognize Him, the deeper your iman, faith, grows. Gratitude and faith walk hand in hand. You can't be truly faithful and ungrateful. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Amazing is the affair of the believer. If something good happens, he is thankful, and that is good for him. If something bad happens, he is patient, and that is also good for him." Without gratitude, you run behind the world. You chase likes, fame, money, beauty, validation, but still feel empty. No amount of dunya will satisfy a heart that forgot its creator. But with faith in Allah, even tears become precious. Even silence becomes dua. Even losses become lessons. That's the miracle of faith plus shukr. True gratitude is not only in words, it's in your actions. Every sujood you make is shukr. Every time you lower your gaze is shukr. Every act of patience, every avoided sin is gratitude in motion. Shukr is a way of life. Here are 3 things you can do right now. Say Alhamdulillah from your heart, not just your lips. Thank Allah for one thing daily that you usually forget, like clean water or your heartbeat. Pray 2 rakahs of Salat al-Shukr, the prayer of gratitude. Make gratitude your habit. Make gratitude your worship. Make gratitude your identity. And watch how Allah opens doors you never knew existed. Shukr is more than thankfulness. It is a shelter for the broken, a light for the lost, and a ladder to reach the mercy of Allah. So today, choose to see what you have. Choose to trust the one who gave it. And say from the deepest corner of your heart, Alhamdulillah, always, forever, no matter what.